Close your door. Also, guys, I almost forgot. There are no check engine lights or any lights on in the dash. Like, there's no lights on in the dash. So, I mean, except for this one, I need to put my seatbelt on. But once I put my seatbelt on, and I'm gonna, yeah, no check engine lights. Alright, guys. Show them the rear. There's rear. Open the door back there. I just keep forgetting things. So back here, there is rear temperature control back here for the kids, because they're always crying, I'm too hot or I'm cold, so they can control their own temperature back there. Also, there's one more thing, man. Don't come up to the front.
Come on, John.
There's another feature to the car.
We did that already.
No. This can move. So that can slide and move. And you already know I'm a lady, so y'all already see my shoes. But then there's another outlet down here, another power source outlet. So, yeah. See, it's so much features with it, honestly, I forget. So, yeah, I think... So yeah, and I'm gonna move it back, and it moves back. So yeah, that's that. All right, guys. So there's a couple of things that I missed, and one of them is that I can control my seat and the second seat from the side door panel. I can also lock the windows, which is cool because when you have kids, they always want to play with the frickin' windows. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Kids. Also, there's another feature that I want to show you guys for my passenger side seat. Okay, so this is not working from holding the camera. So let me try to figure this out for you guys. But I'm going to recline back so you can see. I'm on the passenger side now. Okay, so this is one thing that I missed earlier, but I'm gonna recline this back so that you guys can see. It's going back nice and smooth. And yeah, this goes all the way back. So that's pretty cool. If someone's not feeling well, they want to get some sleep, the seat does recline like all the way back. It will go a little bit further, but because of the DVDs, I don't want to do that. So that's going to require taking the headrest off. Alright. So I get this back up. And yeah, you can see one of them now as it's starting to get darker. I think I will show you guys because it's on all four, and I didn't even realize it's on all four. Randall does not like to sit that far up. Yeah, you could see them now. You can see this one better. But yeah, that's where it illuminates at nighttime. It illuminates at nighttime. So yeah. And yeah, another thing I'm happy that it has, because my kids are not always the most well behaved. They do have, come on, focus. But they do have child safety locks back Okay, and also on the steering wheel, I can control the volume on my radio, and I can scan up and down the radio stations. This is how I can pick up and end calls right here. And also there's a voice command here to talk to the car. So yeah. No, I love the steering wheel. Originally, I learned how to drive in a Jaguar XJ8. I think it was like a 98 or a 2000, but that's what I originally learned how to drive in. And I really love this car because it reminds me a lot of the car that I learned how to drive in, which was the Jaguar XJ8. And it drives just as smooth, and the steering wheel is like basically the same because it's smooth here, but then you've got the grips here at the sides. So I do like that. It does. Some people may disagree with me because the XJ8 does have a V8 and you can switch from automatic to stick. However, based on the quietness and the smoothness of the ride, it does remind me a lot of the XJ8. So, yep, those are those controls right there on the steering wheel. Focus. It doesn't want to focus. Jeez, I was forgetting things. So this down here seems to be where I can control my cruise control and set it on and off. So that's what that is. Yeah, it's a lot going on in this car, guys. So I forgot something. So we just found out that we could talk to the car. So I'm going to tell the car something. FM radio.
AM radio.
It's doing AM radio. Let me try it again, guys. If I do like zoom in.
Zooming in.
Alright, let's see if it's learning my voice, guys. Zoom out.
Zooming out.
Fast food restaurants.
System is showing restaurant icons.
Okay, I'll try fast food again. Fast food.
System is showing fast food icons.
Now we're in a residential area, so let's see. I'm still learning these things. I could try the radio again. FM1.
FM1 radio.
I recognized it that time. We have trouble getting that station, but it's my favorite. I don't think it does the climate, but we can talk to it, and it's learning my voice. I guess as it gets used to my speech pattern, it will get better. But yeah, this car is full of surprises. I definitely need to update my GPS, but it does listen to you when you're talking. You need point of interest. If you're somewhere and you don't really know where you are, that's cool to know. Hey, where's a fast food restaurant? Hey, where's a gas station? You know, and it listens to you, and that's cool. So yeah, learning more things that it can do. I don't think I have the climate control though. I think I can control like the phone, but I don't think Randall's phone is synced, but my phone is synced. So I would have to bring in my phone to try that. But you could talk to it and tell it the phone. It's over 100 commands, and yeah, I just learned. I've had the car a week, and I just learned that that's a feature like today. So that's kind of cool. I'll be playing with that. It reminds me of my dad because he used to have a computer that he would like talk to and tell it to shut down or close windows. My mom's probably laughing if she's watching because she remembers hearing him yell at the computer. But yeah, that's so cool. You can talk to the car. I really like that. So yeah, it's over 100 commands. Maybe I'll post the link to all of the commands that I could tell the car to do, because I could probably do this for like a half hour and run through all of them. So